Hi, this is Jeannie, and I wanted to show you today how I recreated a boxwood wreath. I was getting ready to throw this old wreath away. It was made on a styrofoam base, and it fell off the door, which was my fault. Fell off the door and broke, and I thought possibly I could fix it by gluing it back together, but I decided that, it was old, and I was just going to toss it. But before I did, I noticed how the pieces of boxwood were put in the styrofoam with just some hot glue. So I decided to just pull those off and try cleaning the hot glue off, and that was easy to do with a needle nose pliers and just make a new wreath. My first thought was to get a styrofoam ring, but I don't think that just wasn't going to work. So I pulled all those pieces out and just pulled that old hot glue off and set them aside. Now I wanted to make this more of a kind of a mixed greenery wreath, so I took about a 12-inch grapevine. I think I got those at Walmart, and I picked up a couple of different kinds of greenery bushes from Trendy Tree, and I separated all those pieces out and just counted all my pieces. So the first thing I did was mark my wreath into like 4 quadrants so I could kind of keep things evenly based, and I was using a hot glue gun. In hindsight, it would have been easier had I used my hot glue skillet, but my glue gun was new, and you know how we are. We have something new, we want to try it. So anyway, I put hot glue on all the pieces. I measured out, counted out how many pieces of each boxwood that I could put into each quadrant, along with the other greenery that I had from Trendy Tree. Now I'll give you some examples of some other greenery that you could use. So I filled up 1 quadrant, and that felt pretty full, so I did the same thing all the way around. Any odd pieces that I had left over, I went ahead and filled in any gaps. So by adding in the extra bushes and using a 12-inch grapevine form, I was able to create 2 wreaths out of that one boxwood wreath. So it served my purpose well, and it was not hard to do, and I'm still using them. Thanks for watching.